10 riders right now on the starting gate. That is Enzo Reliosa, JC Reliosa, Terence Napat, Mitch Rivera, McLean Aguilar, David Magapo, Jeric Mitra, Kimboy Pineda, Bornok Mangosong, and Jesse Pineda. One more time for the expert class. Gates are down. We have a good start in the expert class category. Who's getting the whole shot? Once more, it's Terence Napat, McLean Aguilar, Mitch Rivera, Enzo Reliosa, Bornok Mangosong for the top 5 lead on our starting lap. Terence Napat is currently on the lead, followed by Mitch Rivera, Bornok Mangosong taking in McLean Aguilar and as well as Enzo Reliosa. Mitch Rivera is currently on the first position, overtaking Terence Napat, Bornok Mangosong, and McLean Aguilar almost on a bar-to-bar on that double jump. Once again, Mitch Rivera, Terence Napat, Bornok Mangosong, and McLean Aguilar. Coming into the rollers section, Mitch Rivera is taking it on. Bornok Mangosong catching up on his prey, followed by the warrior, Terence Napat on third position. McLean Aguilar 259 is on fourth. David Glenn Magapo entering the scene on 5th position, followed by Jeric Mitra. Once again, that's Mitch, Bornok, Terence, followed by McLean, David, Jeric, and of course, we also have here with us Enzo Reliosa and Pineda. Bornok Mangosong is now taking the lead. Mitch Rivera down to the second, followed by Terence Napat. Bornok Mangosong looks like a flashback from our Pro Open class this morning. Bornok Mangosong is on the lead, followed by Mitch Rivera. Terence Napat catching up on third position. Bornok Mangosong 111 BM 111 racing team is from Yamaha, Philippines. Followed by the Hunter, we have Mitch Rivera. On the screen is still Bornok Mangosong on his lead battle for the Pro Open or the Expert Open category. We have here on the screen the top 3, Bornok, Mitch, and Terence. Bornok Mangosong entering 2-hour rhythm double jumps, followed by Mitch Rivera, Terence Napat on third position. Coming in on fourth, McLean Aguilar, followed by David Magapo and Jeric Mitra. On to the tabletop jump, that's 111, Bornok Mangosong, followed by Mitch Rivera for their second lap in the 20 minutes plus 2 laps scheduled in the expert class. These riders are the best of the best. We can see Terence Napat overjumping those jumps to catch up with Mitch Rivera right now. We have Bornok Mangosong still leading on the double jumps, followed by the battle for second between Mitch Rivera and Terence Napat. Once again, Bornok Mangosong exiting the roller section, followed by Mitch Rivera and Terence Napat for our expert class. On fourth position, it's Baby Rocket 259. So let's have a quick recap on our expert class. Recap on our positions. Inside track updates. First, or on the lead, we have Bornok Mangosong, followed by Mitch Rivera. Then we also have here Terence Napat on third. Fourth is McLean Aguilar, followed by David Magapo and Jeric Mitra. That's our top 6 in the leaderboards for the expert category. Bornok Mangosong is currently exiting our roller section into the sand section, one of the most challenging parts of a track. Bornok Mangosong 111 is from Yamaha, Philippines, BM 111 racing team. Expert class riders are the best of the best. Our race leader, Bornok Mangosong, followed by Bornak Mongosong is followed by Mitch Rivera and Terence Napat coming in on third position. Inside the track updates, top 5 leaderboards. It is still Bornak Mongosong on the lead, followed by Mitch Rivera, Terence Napat on third, McLean Aguilar on fourth, fifth is David Malgapo. That's the top 5 right now in the expert class for the Solid North Party List Pro-Am Motocross Championships. Still, we have a battle for second position between Mitch Rivera and Terence Napat, while a battle for fifth position between David Malgapo and Jeric Mitra. Once again into the sand section, it is still our race leader 111, Bornak Mongosong of PM111 Racing and Yamaha Philippines. On second position is the Hunter.
Isang norte